Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this Bosch 500 series model number SHP865ZP5N. We're selling this at a great price right now of $8.99. I'm just going to run down some of these features with you guys. So one of the first things I'm going to talk about is it comes with an info light right here. So when the cycle is running, it will display a red light on the bottom of the ground to tell you when it's running, and when it's done, it'll just switch off. I can't really show it to you because we don't plug them in, but just use your imagination. So next we're going to go on to our cycles right here. So I want to touch on kind of what stuck out to me on these, and first off we're going to talk about the auto cycle. So it does weigh what you put in there, and it will dispense the correct amount of water if you were to use that cycle. Moving on, we have this Speed 60, pretty self-explanatory. It's a quick wash that will wash everything in under 60 minutes as well. Now, going over to our options here, we have the delay option. You can choose to delay that up for 24 hours, which is pretty cool. Then we have a sanitize that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria using heat and drying options as well. We also have the auto air. So if you were to run a normal cycle, you could click this. Basically what that does, it will pop it open for you, and it will air dry and let all the excess moisture out instead of having to do it yourself. Extra scrub is more pressure and higher temperatures to remove those extra greasy stains or anything that's really stuck on there. Now going on the inside here, you can see that we got lots of different collapsibles going on. So this can be like this, so you'd use side plates or smaller plates to fit in right there, and then you can collapse them down. So maybe you can do more like bowls, like wider bowls, or you can actually flatten those down completely to create even more space right here too. Also, these do stand up, so you can put items right back here too, but they also do collapse, so you can make even more room for whatever you want down here. The caddy itself does split into two, so if you wanted to do less or more or whatever, you can have that option too. We have a glide rack right here, so it's super nice. It's like really well controlled. This is going to be for all your long stem glasses, like wine glasses and such. Also a bunch more of collapsible as well, which kind of wanting to insinuate that you get so much space and so much room out of it. And obviously we have the third rack, which you can line up silverware up there. You can put the spoons, spatulas, all that kind of stuff up there as well to save you some space. Really quiet. It's only 44 dBAs with the use of the stainless steel tub, the groundless food filtration, and the EcoSounds motor system. It really is one of the quietest dishwashers out there. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have on this right now. But there is plenty more specs on this on our website at appliancefactory.com. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.